Hi viewer, welcome to another episode of Kansiris. In this video we will discuss what is CTC. It is most commonly asked question. What is your current CTC and expected CTC in job interviews? But many don't know what CTC means. How is it important in our career? Please like this video if you like our video. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly to encourage us to do more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video if you like our video. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. Cost to company (CTC) is the yearly expenditure that a company spends on an employee. Each employee's spend depends on their salary and variables. CTC is calculated by adding salary and additional benefits that an employee receives such as EPF, gratuity, house allowance, food coupons, medical insurance, travel expenses and so on. CTC in colloquial terms is the cost an employer bears to hire and sustain its employees. Formula: CTC equals gross salary plus benefits. If an employee's salary is 40,000 rupees and the company pays an additional 5,000 rupees for their health insurance, the CTC is 45,000 rupees. Employees may not directly receive the CTC amount as cash. CTC package is a term often used by private sector Indian companies while making an offer of employment. CTC contains all monetary and non-monetary amounts spent on an employee. All the below mentioned are a part of the enhanced salary, and therefore are a part of the CTC pay as well. They are basic bonus allowance, incentives or bonuses, conveyance allowance, house rent allowance, HRA, medical allowance, leave travel allowance or concession, LTA, LTC, vehicle allowance, telephone, mobile phone allowance, special allowance. A major part of CTC comprises compulsory deductibles. These include deductions for Provident Fund, medical insurance, etc. They form a part of the compensation structure but don't get them as a part of an enhanced salary. But it definitely increases the CTC. CTC equals direct benefits plus indirect benefits plus savings contributions. Direct benefits refer to the amount paid to the employee monthly by the employer, which forms part of his/her take-home or net salary and is subject to government taxes. Indirect benefits refer to the benefits that employees enjoy without paying for them. The company pays them on behalf of the employee but adds these expenses to the employee's CTC as it is an expense from the company's point of view. Savings contribution refers to the monetary value added to the employee's CTC, example EPF. Thus CTC plays key role in your career and salary structure. At the end of the day we all work for salaries. In our next video we will discuss more about CTC and enhanced salary, gross salary and soon. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I am Kansiris. We will be uploading videos on technology and career guidance on our channel regularly to encourage us to do more videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel if you are watching our channel for the first time. Don't forget to like this video if you like our video. If you have any questions or doubts on the topic like technology and career guidance, please comment below so we will reply or make a video on it. Please share with your friends and family on the social network like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter you are watching. Kansiris.